Hello, today we are solving Jan 2024 Unit 2 IAL paper question number 1 part B. Okay, here they have given the part B is evaluate the financial performance of Pomos PLC for the year ended 31st December 2023 from the point of view of a shareholder compared to the performance for the year ended 31st December 2022. You should give a possible reason for the changes in the figures compared to the previous year. So in the part 1 of the question, we had calculated for a year ending 31st December 2023 all the different types of ratios, and this is the information, okay, which is for December 2022. Okay, the ratios they have calculated. So we have to compare this year's the previous years 2022 with 2023 and give the reasons for the things that must have contributed to this. So the first one is in 2022 the dividend per share was 0.18 pence per share. Okay, 0.18 pence per share, but in 2023 we calculated it as 0.02. okay, it has an increased, so the dividend per share has risen by 0.2 pence. okay, because it is we have it has increased. So the possible reasons for this would be probably the net profit include net profit after the interest and tax increased. So how were you able to tell? Because from the formula you will have to tell. So the total ordinary dividend paid, this dividend paid must have been through the profit, right? We generally pay through the profit, okay, and the number of shares, if you assume, has not changed, then if the profit had increased, the dividend issued per share must have increased. So which means you can conclude that the profit must have risen. Then earnings per share, okay, earnings per share. So earnings per ordinary share in the previous year in 2022 it was 0.042 pence, okay, whereas we had calculated earnings per share, okay, earnings per ordinary share to be equal to 0.044 pence per share. So again there is an increase. So the possible reason, again increase in profit, okay, must have happened, or you can say a redemption of ordinary share was made. So either things you can say, but you can say it has increased by 0.2 pence per share. So again you have to look at the formula and say what contributes to earnings per share. So either the quotient or the okay, either the net profit after tax must have increased, or okay, net profit, or this must have decreased, they must have redeemed some shares, okay, this value has gone down, this value has gone up, or this cannot change. So you either can state either the net profit has gone up or they have redemption of shares has happened and they ended up paying less dividends to the redeemable preference shares. So that is how you will make a comment for earnings per share. Okay, price to earnings ratio, the price to earnings ratio was 28 times, and now the price to earnings ratio, PE ratio, for this 23 is 36. okay, so the difference is around 8 point, it has increased by 8.36 times. So it has increased by 8.36 times. okay, so which means that times, so which means that The possible reasons include the market has more confidence in the company. So any PE ratio increase you will contribute to saying because it has more confidence in the company, or possible because of an increase in the net profit after the tax. Okay, and it is trying, another company is trying to take over Pomos PLC, and this has pushed the share price up. So either the market, so in the equation you can see that there is a market price, and in the below you will have earnings per share. Okay, so market price must have gone up. So the market price gone up is the reason when another company tries to take over, your market price will go up. Then earnings per share increase, we have already included that reason, that there was an increase in net profit, or there was redemption of ordinary shares. Okay, redemption. So then only your PE ratio must have increased. Okay, that is the reason you will give. Then dividend cover, it was 2.1 times, and now the dividend yield, the dividend cover for the 23 was 2.2 times. So there is a difference. Okay, and it has increased, dividend cover has risen by 0.1 times. Possible reasons for this include the directors deciding to follow a safer dividend policy and pay out lower dividends related to net profit after tax, okay, or increased net profit after tax. So what is the reason for the dividend cover? You have to look at the formula. Okay, and comment. So either the net profit must have increased, okay, or the number of or total ordinary dividend, okay, must have decreased. This can decrease, okay, only when the number of ordinary shares left was very low. Okay, then the dividend paid will become low. So you will just say that net profit after the tax must have increased. Okay, so that's why the comment is dividend cover has risen because the directors decided to follow a safer dividend policy, or they decided to pay out lower dividends to the existing shareholders, or the net profit after the tax was more, or by the company was more. Then gearing ratio earlier was 39%. Now gearing ratio is just 32%. Gearing ratio, you should see the formula, either debt has to decrease. Okay, if the gearing ratio has reduced, it is less risk for the company. First conclusion, when you see a gearing ratio and it has decreased, it means your liabilities must have decreased. You can make a direct conclusion. So it has reduced, either debt has gone down or your equity has gone up. Okay, so debt has gone down means long term liability must have been reduced. So it has reduced by 7%. It is going to reduce the risk for the company. Possible reasons can be, here he is saying increase in equity. For example, you issued ordinary shares, new ordinary shares were issued, or some loans were repaid back, or the loan was reduced. How can you reduce the loans? Either you pay back. So from the formula only you can comment. Then return on capital employed. Okay, the return on capital employed has risen by 9.94 points. So earlier it was 5.8% and we had calculated 6.74. So the difference, okay, the difference is 0.94 percentage points. Possible reasons for this include increased net profit after tax. Okay, or okay, here from the formula you can say whether the net profit has increased or capital employed must have reduced. Capital employed, in that what, how can you reduce capital, whether debt has gone down. So you can just say either you increase the net profit or there was a decrease in the liability, fixed cost capital, you paid back some amount of loan. Worsened performance, what was the worsened performance? Dividend cover, it has risen by 0.1 times. Possible reasons include a smaller percentage, okay, from 2.1 times, okay, it has become 2.2 times. So what is the comment? Okay, it is not so good. A smaller percentage of net profit is being paid out as dividends as a deliberate policy which shareholders will not like. So there is a small increase in dividend cover which is very small. So even though their net profit has increased, probably you are paying out very small amount of dividend. Then dividend yield has fallen by 0.25 points. It was 1.5 percentage. Now the dividend yield, okay, the dividend yield was calculated as 1.25 percentage, okay, 1.25 percentage. It has decreased. So the dividend yield has decreased, which means your reduced net profit after the tax. How can you calculate? Okay, you use the formula here. So dividend yield formula says that dividend per share by market price. So when can your dividend yield has increased? Okay, either dividend, okay, it is 1.5, but here it has decreased. So either dividend issued has gone low or your market price of the share has become high. Okay, so you can just, that's why you comment that your dividend yield has decreased, and you give a possible reason saying that reduced net profit which has resulted in lower dividends being paid out. So your dividend paid was reduced, or the market price of the share has gone up. So from the formula you can make comments. Then conclusion, it appears that the performance of Pomos PLC was better in 2023 than 2022 as shown by many ratios have improved. So the more important ratios such as earnings per share and price to earnings show an improvement. So that's why you can say based on this